Hey everybody, it's Cynthia Porter with Visit Winona. Emily Skeels is running the camera. We are at the CP Holiday Train in Winona. It just pulled into the station and everybody is crowded around waiting. The doors are going to open and something good is going to happen. This is where you sent us in our Facebook Live poll this week. Every week we ask you where we should go, and then we have a couple of different places that go off against each other in a poll. This won by a huge margin because this is a favorite event in Winona for as long as I've known about Winona, which is 25 years for sure. So anyway, what this is the CP Holiday Train from Canadian Pacific. It starts up in Canada. I believe it starts in Montreal. I had a cheat note and I'm going to try not to look at it. But it goes all the way around through the upper Midwest. It goes through Minnesota and North Dakota and Iowa and Illinois and Missouri, and then it ends in Saskatchewan. So it started in the very end of November, I think the third week in November, and it's not going to be back docked up in Canada until the 16th of December. It's collecting food for food shelves, and the doors are opening, so we're going to let Emily just show you what's going on. We're going to kind of walk up there and shove our way in. I'll tell you a little bit more at the end of it if you're still watching. Okay, here we go.
Out there. What a tremendous crowd. It's just an honor to be here with Canadian Pacific and the 2018 Holiday Train, everybody. Celebrating 20 years of helping communities get together, providing some great humanitarian relief. And my name's Willie Porter. I come to you from Wisconsin, just across the river. So don't hold that against me now. Come on. But hey, this band up here is the Trues, everybody. The Trues. Yeah. We're having some fun out here. We'll do a song for you now, one of the songs that I wrote, and the weather's a little tough on tuning here, so let's get this guitar back up. And one of the things that I used to ask my parents when I was a little kid, I would always say, Mom and Dad, how come Santa comes down the chimney when we've got perfectly good doors on the house? My parents never had a very good answer to that. One day my dad said, well, Santa comes in and out of the house so fast that he'd leave the door open, kind of like you kids, and that would cause more frustration for your mom and me. So, anyway, just a thought. Anyway, this one's called Hey Santa. It goes something like this. still hot. We got muffins in the oven and a chicken in the pie. We don't have much, but we'll share what we got with all of the neighbors and the tiny tots. Santa's coming down the chimney unless the door is unlocked. Kenny wants a jump so he can dump out a tin. Holly needs a microphone so he can't crew. I could use some new strings so y'all need me socks. We could all use something to beat the clock. Santa's coming down the chimney unless the door is unlocked. Hey Santa, trying to be good. Hey Santa, I know that I should. Hey Santa, you got some toys in your bag. Hey Santa, cause my baby's been sad. Hey Santa, you know what to do. Hey Santa, man, I'm counting on you. The whole neighborhood is locked down tight. All the little kids are in bed for the night. The old folks are sitting home sipping to the tea while I'm grooving to the Stones and Chuck Berry. Before I went to bed I put out a coat, cause I didn't want Santa to burn his toes. Hey Santa, trying to be good. Hey Santa, I know that I should. Hey Santa, you got some toys in your bag. Hey Santa, cause my baby's been sad. Hey Santa, you know what to do. Hey Santa, man, I'm counting on you. Still hot. Why's he messing with the roof when we got a parking lot? Who cares if this sleigh takes up a few spots? He'll be in and out quick and gone like a shot. Don't mess up your suit on account of that mitt. Don't bother with the roof, Santa, come on in. Hey Santa, I'm trying to be good. Hey Santa, man, I know that I should. Hey Santa, you got some toys in your bag. Hey Santa, look, my baby's listening. Hey Santa, you know what to do. Hey Santa, man, I'm counting on you. Hey Santa, counting on you. Hey Santa, you know what to do. Come on Santa, I'm counting on you. I'm Willie Porter. Please give it up for this great band, the Drews, everybody. The Drews.
So we're just gonna walk up the train a little bit so you can see some of the lights that are on.
1, 2, 3. Perfect. What color? James.
One, two, three.
There must be, I don't know, a couple thousand people here probably, stretched all the way along the entire train track. We're going to walk up to the front of the train so you can kind of see what it looks like when it rolls in. It's pretty great. There's 13 cars altogether, I guess, that are lit. And they tow that band around. They changed the band. Tell me if I run into something. Okay? They changed the band midway. There was a different performer on in the early part of it, and then they picked up Willie Porter, no relation. Just kidding, it's my cousin. Just kidding, it's not my cousin. And the Trues, his band, somewhere in Illinois, I think is where they got on the train.
Rosemary's watching from Mexico.
Rosemary from Mexico. Well, it's a little colder here, but it's sure fun. I mean, there's been times where this was really a lot colder out here. I mean, like in the negatives, and I think just as many people still came because, I mean, hi, it's Santa. Did you see me score that candy cane from Finn? I think he was trying to give it to a kid, but you know, whatever. They have been doing it, I guess, for 20 years, not 25 years, but Rosemary, we wish you were here, even though you're probably just good giving us away from Mexico right now. I bet it's pretty nice there. So, this whole thing is about collecting food for the food shelf, and they do it for food pantries all the way through the Canada and the upper Midwest. And it's a way that Canadian Pacific just kind of gives back to some of the communities that it goes through. It doesn't stop in every community. It will be stopping up and down kind of the river road right now. Okay, it's a little bit loud. All right, I'm going to stop talking until we show you the front, and then we'll bring it down. Emily's trying to back up down the train tracks. Don't fall, Emily. Here, I'll get you off the track. This is the only time in my life I'm ever going to be on this side of the blinking stop arm for the train. Hold over here. There you go. Maybe here. So, last year they collected something like 20,000 pounds of food. in Winona at this. I don't know how other communities are doing, but Winona really comes out. I actually know that people come from all over this region to come to our stop here. There was cookies, there was Santa, of course, and there was hot chocolate, and it was all free. There were some volunteers up in the front by the train station just handing this stuff out. And this is a pretty fun way to spend a Sunday afternoon in Winona, no matter how cold it is. I think I can speak for everybody here and say we love it. It's a pretty great time. So next week we're going to go wherever you tell us to go. We've got so many things left that we can do in Winona. I think we could do this for 5 years every week and still not run out of places that you want to see. If you are not in Winona and there's a place that you'd love to have a live look at, you can nominate it. We'll take the top 2 places that get nominated and we'll put them in a poll next week, and we will have them go head to head and you get to vote where we're going to end up. We usually do it on Thursdays most of the time, but this time we had to do it on Sunday because we couldn't make them change the train schedule for our Facebook Live. So tell us, where should we go next week? We're having a lot of fun doing this. So far we have been all over Winona. We've been to the top of Sugarloaf. We've been paddling on the river. We have been at the library. We've been at the Watkins Museum. Every week I think I'm going to make it through a better list than that, and I never do. But anyway, a lot of places, and they're all on our YouTube channel. You can go and see some of the stuff that we've been doing so far. There's a lot left to come, though. Where should we go? Tell us. Have a great week. Thanks, everybody, for joining us with this. It's been a lot of fun. Maui, Mexico, in the house.